So, how you look at the statistics of a game once you finish it. Now, once it finishes, this view will appear, which is says I won. You can show the post game, view the map, or close. If you close, you go back and everything is finished. You can see the map. For example, when I look around, check stuff, and once I am done, I can show the pause game, and here I can see all the statistics. I really like this one, and here you can have all statistics. For example, we kill the same amount of units, which is interesting. Bigger army, how many of the population you killed, at what time you pass to the next stage, mythology. And then if you want to check the map again, because maybe, I don't know, see, there is this drop. What is that? Let's check. And you check the map and maybe you try to remember what happened. No, it's really nice. I think you should just check this stuff and yeah, enjoy the statistics of your game. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.